This is my 1997 XR100 with the TV parts 120 kit on it, and I really like this thing. I liked it before a lot. It started smoking on me, so I rebuilt it. Got the nice ASV lever on there, makes it really easy to clutch it up. That's about all I've ever done to it. I put a tire on it, sprockets, dropped this to change this to a 15 tooth sprocket, gives it way more top end, but I'm gonna have to increase or lower the gear ratio more because it just has too much torque. First gear is basically useless. But the 120 kit went on real easy, super easy to do. Took like an afternoon. And that was the first 4-stroke I've ever rebuilt. You just do it by the book. You just put in their cylinder and piston and everything. A little muddy right now. Finally out gotten this thing. Just recently put this Mikuni on here. I did have a key in on there factory, but I couldn't, I don't know, for some reason I cleaned the carburetor 3 or 4 times. Something must have been gunked up in there because it just would not start. Threw this one on there and it started right up. I still got a little tuning to do on it. Still, it seems like it's a bit rich, or lean, I mean, at the top end. Probably need a bigger main jet, but it starts up. Oh, Jesus! Starts up first kick. Oh yeah, got the FMF, the FMF Pro Power Core 4 or whatever. But the damn thing's running pretty good. And for reference, I'm like 5'10", about 220 right now. And I mean, this thing hauls me around like nothing. Great first bike for anybody, honestly. Quite shift all the way up. Cut out on me there. Circles right now.